Guys, my car will not start. Alright, so yeah, we definitely have a dead battery, but I actually picked this up. Haven't used it yet, but it is a lithium jump starter slash inflator made by a company called AUTOONE. It's got actually up to 150 PSI for the inflator, so it's going to work great for large trucks and SUVs as well. This has got 8,000 amps, 60 watt hours of capacity, and yeah, this is 12 volts, perfect for this Honda Civic here. So let's go ahead and unbox this. I'm going to show you exactly what it comes with. So let's go ahead and zoom on in, and I'll show you exactly what's in this kit, and I'll show you exactly how to hook it up to this battery and jumpstart the car. Let's go. All right, AUTOONE jump starter with air compressor. Let's get into it. This is the JWA2 model. First time I'm going to be able to use this right out of the box. It's going to be awesome. There should be some charge on this from the factory. Really great included case here. Nice zipper enclosure. It's actually a hard case with this soft felt material. All right, look at this, look at this. We got a quick guide here. Now this is the main jump starter unit. Really awesome design. You got all your plethoras of buttons and a nice screen here. Hold it down. Yeah, we actually got full power here. So it looks like by the factory, it is set at 36 PSI. You can also do motorcycles, bicycles at 45 PSI, and then balls at 8 PSI, so like basketballs, volleyballs, and things like that. So from here, you just hit up or down. I like to set mine at 35 PSI, so I'm gonna do that. You also get a nice LED flashlight for times of emergencies, even a blinking light, just in case you're on the side of the road and need to alert oncoming traffic. Really nice. All right, and looking at all of the accessories here, we do get this flap here to separate the two halves, which is really nice. Keeps the main unit safe from being scratched up from all these accessories. So again, let's take a look at what we get here. So starting off with this here, this is the actual inflator tube here. So this threads right onto your unit right here. Right there, it's actually labeled clearly with pump. And then this is your Schrader valve right here. Typical style where you push it here, you depress the plunger, and then you're all set, nice and sealed with that rubber gasket there. As far as the accessories go for your air pump, you do get a plethora here. So you've got a Schrader to press the valve for those road bike tires or mountain bike tires. You've got this here where you can insert it into, say, you know, a balloon or things like that. This will go attached right to the Schrader valve, and then you'll be able to inflate some different things. You've also got a thicker one here. And then you also get your needle for pumping up basketballs, volleyballs, soccer balls, things like that. So again, all your adapters for inflating all kinds of different vehicles, bikes, and accessories. You do get an included USB-C to USB-A cable for charging. And this is your main connection here for the battery. You've got positive red, negative black, and then your EC5 connector that goes right into the unit. What I do like too is that these cables are actually different lengths, so you don't run the risk of accidentally touching the two, which you definitely don't want to do because it'll spark up. So let's go ahead and connect this directly to the car, and let's go ahead and jump this vehicle. All right, and here are your basic instructions here for jump starting a car. So you're going to want to make sure to connect the cables to the actual charger, and then wire up your positive and negative directly to the battery. And then within 30 seconds, go ahead and start your car. Once it's started, go ahead and disconnect from the charger itself, and then disconnect your battery terminals. So let's go ahead and get it. Connect the cables right here where it says engine start. Just like that. You'll actually get a green blinking light right there on the little connector. All right, so let's go ahead and plug in positive directly to the terminal. Just like that. And then go ahead and connect your negative. I'm gonna go connect it right up here. Powered on. All right, and with the charger connected to the battery, let's go and fire it up. Foot on the brake. And we've got power. All right, we are all good. All right, and once we've got a running engine, go ahead and disconnect from the control unit. I'm gonna turn it off first. Disconnect my negative, disconnect my positive. All right, and while we're at it, let's go ahead and put some air in my tires here. So you've got your air hose right here. You've got this threaded piece. You've got a rubber O-ring to prevent any air loss. Let's go ahead and connect it right here where it says pump. Just going to make sure we got a tight seal, which we do. Let's go ahead and connect it right here to the Schrader valve on the tire itself. So go ahead and insert it just like that and push down to lock it in place. So now all you got to do is power on the unit, hold it down for 2 seconds. Let's go to mode. We've got car 36. I'm going to go with 35 PSI and just do a short press of the power button. All right, got 35, go and disconnect. We'll put your cap back on. So we got from 28 to 35 in, felt like under a minute. Not a whole lot of vibration from the unit. Everything is pretty muffled pretty well. Go and disconnect, and we're honestly really good. Go ahead and hold the button down for 2 seconds to turn it off, and we're good for the next charge or the next inflation from AUTOONE. All right, you guys, so that was the jump starter inflator combo by AUTOONE. JWA2 is a model number, 8,000 amps up to 150 PSI on the inflation for big trucks and SUVs. Really awesome product, you guys. Like and comment with your feedback below on what you think about this, and I will check you on the next video. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.